In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund in PayPal. If you need to send money back to a customer or reverse a payment you've received, PayPal makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the transaction and submit the refund from your account activity page. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your main account summary page. From there, scroll down until you see your recent activity. In that section, click on Show All. This will open a more complete list of your transactions, which is helpful if the payment you want to refund isn't visible in the shortened recent activity view. Once the full activity page opens, look through the list and click on the transaction you want to refund. Make sure you choose the correct payment before moving forward, especially if you've received multiple payments from the same person or for similar amounts. Opening the transaction details will let you confirm that you're working with the right payment. After selecting the transaction, look for the option that says refund this payment and click it. This takes you to the refund screen where PayPal prepares the refund request for that specific transaction. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the details on the page, including the payment amount and any refund information shown on screen, so you can be confident everything is correct before submitting it. When you're ready, click Issue Refund. This is the final step that sends the money back through PayPal. Once completed, PayPal will process the refund and update the transaction status in your activity history. Depending on the payment method originally used, the recipient may receive the funds right away, or it may take a little time for the refund to appear on their side. One helpful tip is to double check the transaction before issuing the refund, because refunds are tied to the original payment. Also, if you don't see the refund option, it may be because the transaction is no longer eligible, or the payment may already have been refunded or otherwise resolved. And that's it. To refund in PayPal, open your full activity by clicking Show All, select the payment, choose Refund this payment, and then click Issue Refund to complete it. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy.